King cobra, Ophiophagus hanna. The king cobra is the longest venomous snake in the world. King cobras measure an average of 11 to 13 feet long. They live in southern China, India, and southeastern Asia. Their habitat includes streams, forests, bamboo thickets, and swamps. This snake is a carnivore, eating other snakes, birds, and lizards. King cobras live about 20 years in the wild. King cobra's scientific classification. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Reptilia. Order, Squamata. Family, Elapidae. Genus, Ophiophagus. Scientific name, Ophiophagus hanna. King cobra conservation status, vulnerable. King cobra locations, Asia. King cobra facts. Prey, lizards, birds, other snakes. Main prey, other snakes. Name of young, hatchlings. Group behavior, solitary except during mating season. Fun fact, they are the longest venomous snake in the world. Estimated population size, unknown. Biggest threat, poaching, habitat loss. Most distinctive feature, an expanding hood. Other name, S. hamadryad. King cobra physical characteristics. Color, brown, yellow, black, green. Skin type, scales. Top speed, 12 miles per hour. Lifespan, about 20 years. Venomous, yes. Aggression, low. Gestation period, 66 to 105 days. Litter size, 21 to 40 eggs. Habitat, forest, shrublands, wetlands. Diet, carnivore. Lifestyle, diurnal. Type, reptile. Common name, king cobra. Location, South and Southeast Asia. Group, solitary. Incredible king cobra facts. 1. It's the only snake that builds a nest for its eggs. 2. They have enough venom in their bite to kill an elephant. 3. This reptile raises the top third of its body and expands its hood when it feels endangered. 4. Humans are the only predators of adult king cobras, mongooses prey on juvenile snakes. 5. King cobras are the largest venomous snake. The largest king cobra ever measured nearly 19 feet and lived at the London Zoo during World War II. Difference between a cobra and a king cobra. It may seem like the king cobra and other cobras should be lumped into the same group. But there are some differences. For 1, the king cobra belongs to its own genus. A king cobra's genus is known as Ophiophagus, while the Chinese cobra, forest cobra, and many others are categorized under the genus Naja. Another difference is the king cobra's head is larger than that of other cobras and its hood is more narrow. They also have 2 especially large scales on the back of their head that other cobras don't have. These special scales are called occipitals. Many cobras are venomous. The spitting cobra lives up to its name by spitting venom at anything threatening it. Egyptian cobras are venomous as well, releasing a poison that targets a predator's nervous system. However, the king cobra claims the title as the longest venomous snake in the group. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment below to know your own view.